Hey, I'm Charlie. Thanks for visiting my channel today. Today we'll cover my 2007 CR250. It's the last year of the Honda CR250, and that makes this bike pretty unique. And also what makes this bike unique is I haven't even ridden it up and down the street, but the prior owner has, but it's never touched dirt. Knobbies are still on the tires, as you can see, and it's unique to have bikes like these on the market. A lot of people are like, I see in the forums and channels where bikes are still in the crate and things like that, where people are like, why aren't people riding these? You have to realize that collectors make the market. That's what drives the market long term. That's why these bikes go up in value, is supply and demand, right? So as years go on and supply is less and less, the value of the bikes go up. So where you could have bought this bike probably for $4,000 maybe in 2007, you're seeing these sell for around $15,000. We're gonna be putting this bike up on eBay. I'll keep you posted. Maybe we'll do a video after as well. And just talk about how the eBay sale went, what I had to pay out on the sale of it, what it actually went for. If it was an international buyer, a lot of these bikes are going internationally, which is crazy. Especially the CR500s bring huge money overseas. What you might sell here for 10 grand, they're selling there for 15,000 US dollars. So it's just amazing with the Evo bikes and vintage bikes, the market right now. The last 2 years, it's just been crazy. Seeing the prices gone up, where 2 years ago you could buy a CR500 for 4 or 5 grand, and now if it's super clean, like the Pro Circuit Spitfire one that I have, the 92 CR500, that I could probably get 15,000 for it if I put it up on eBay or something. So I know Kaplan Cycles had it for sale, and I think they sold theirs for that price, which is just crazy. But that's the market, supply and demand. You gotta respect people that have collections like myself and others in the market, because that's what adds value for us as collectors and as motocross riders, Evo bikes. What's really cool is I don't have to ride this bike. I have other bikes that I enjoy riding more than this 2007. So there's no reason for me to get it dirty, ride it. I have over 40 bikes. I'd way rather ride my 86 CR500 or 97 CR500 than this 2007 CR250. It is what it is. But with that being said, I get it. If it was my only bike, of course I'd ride it. I wouldn't have a dirt bike and not ride it if I only had a couple bikes. But that's what's unique and makes it special. So we'll see what happens with the sale of it. It's pretty funny to see this happen over time with a brand new bike, but that's pretty common. You see our owners out there probably know that. And I have OEM ones for the bike that will convey with the bike that are brand new, obviously, and not discolored over time. Can't really say anything else about the bike. The bike's in really good shape. It's pretty funny. It still has like the plastic protecting the handlebars from the levers. Still has the plastic on the radiator cover. And I mean, there's really no major scratches or anything on the bike. So original grips, obviously, original tires. That's obviously what makes it original. So it'll be pretty cool to see what the bike goes for. And then we'll be touching on, probably one of the next videos is my 97 CR500. This bike has been a really good bike. I bought it from a prior owner that was in pretty good shape. Already had the FMF pipe and silencer on it. We checked the motor, and good thing we did. It has a 2 over, so I think it's a 513. So we put a new crank, piston, and some other things in it. It's a good thing we did. When we ran factory edge, probably can't see that well here, but there's a little lip here. So when they replaced the gasket on it, the cylinder head, it started sort of cupping that. and the bike probably wouldn't have made it too much longer if I rode it anymore. So thank God we inspected the motor, fixed it, put the right head on it, and just went through. We put a Henson clutch basket in it. I had Stillwell Performance do the suspension on it for my weight and my riding style for the motocross bike, and we're going to be actually putting these on as well. So CMT is a great carbon company. So we're going to put a whole bunch of goodies on the bike as well to protect it on the track. And we'll definitely do a video on track in the next probably few weeks and give you a review on it. And then we're going to compare this to probably the KTM 450 factory edition, the 2020 and a half. Give you guys lap time, same day, things like that. This will be a good comparison because the suspension's really good on it. Updated brake lines, brake calipers, pads, or sorry, not calipers, but the rotors. So it should be a lot of fun, and to see what we could do lap time against the KTM. So stay tuned. If you would subscribe and follow us and see what we do for the next one. Thanks.